Hi everyone, welcome to sq.cm.shsirclasses. Today in this video we have to draw a square of area 7 square centimeter. So let's start the video. So now here roughly discussing calculation first. So we can write 7 equal to 7 into 1 equal to 7. Then we can write 7 plus 1 equal to 8. So radius of a semicircle, so we have to draw here a semicircle with radius 4 centimeter. Okay, so first we have to draw here a diameter 8 centimeter. So first drawing here a line of length 8 centimeter, which is the diameter of a semicircle. So we have to draw here a semicircle. So this is PQ line. Next, bisecting the line, so taking greater than half of PQ and drawing arc by this way with same length and putting the compass on the point P and cut here. Now both curve intersect 2 point. Now joining this which bisect the line PQ at a point O. Now taking the length OP and OQ to draw a semicircle with radius 4 centimeter. So we draw here a semicircle with radius 4 centimeter. Now taking a length 3 centimeter by using scale by this way. Okay, next putting the compass on the point O and cut here and taking this is A point. Next we have to draw here a 90-degree angle on the point A by using protractor. Okay, now joining this one and which meet at a point D, again join O and D. This is also a radius of the semicircle. Now roughly discussing the calculation. So given PQ equal to 8 centimeter and OA equal to 3 centimeter and radius OP, OQ and OD equal to 4 centimeter. So from right angle triangle OAD we can write AD perpendicular equal to root over hypotenuse square minus base square. So OD square minus OA square. Now putting the value of OD, 4 square minus 3 square. So this is 16 minus 9. So this is root 17, root 7 semi. Now taking the length AD by compass and cut here. Okay, so now join this or extend the line PQ, then taking this length and putting the compass here and drawing here arc with same length and putting the compass here and cut here. So both the curve intersect at a point. Now joining this side and joining this side. So this is taking B point and this is C point, and this is root 7 centimeter, this is also root 7 centimeter, this is also root 7 centimeter, and this is also root 7 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So therefore rectangle ABCD is a square of area equal to root 7 into root 7 equal to 7 square centimeter, where side equal to root 7 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, then please share it with your friend.